Let's have a quick conversation about Bplans. So Bplans is a business plan solution, and in today's conversation, we want to review everything. I mean, is it a good solution for you, or is it a bad solution for you? How do you really use Bplans at all? And so here's the synopsis I want you to pay attention to. So when you think about Bplans, don't think about business plan software. No, it is a business plan solution. Okay, so basically you have another provider of business plan templates, but you also have the fact that you have this service goes beyond the additional pitch and SWOT analysis templates that gives you something more. So there are also business plan guides, industry reports, and a free course on business, actually how to write a business plan from the start. And Bplans also publishes a lot of free to use articles on business planning, financials, and tax reporting to help ensure that you can keep your figures and projections accurate and compliant. And so what we love about Bplans is that we love the database, the fact that you have a database that contains, in our view, the largest online collection of free sample business plans. In addition, it has helpful tools and guides to help you manage your business better. And it doesn't matter whether you have a startup or you have an established business or anything in between. Bplans has some kind of solutions for you. We love the fact that it includes practical advice on planning, interactive tools, and calculators, and we love the fact that you really have some kind of expertise here. I just need to say that basically Bplans is owned by Palo Alto Software, which is actually also the publisher of LivePlan. So it's really important to know. So you have a powerful publisher that knows a lot of stuff about business planning, business plan writing in general. Boss, welcome back to the show. It's really a pleasure to have you here to talk to you about the Bplans. And here is a solution that was actually that started about 1998. So we're speaking about, more than 30 years now. So they really know what they're doing. And so when you think about Bplans, I want you to think about several types of business plans. You have growth plan, internal plan, 5-year business plans. You have nonprofit business plans and the lean plan, among others. You can also get through Bplans a business plan for like if you are trying to if you seek a grant, you can basically write a business plan to sort of fit that grant criteria or those grant criteria. So this is kind of cool, okay? But overall, you have an all-in-one solution that is backed by Palo Alto Software. Let me talk to you about the services you can expect if you were to go with Bplans, okay? So when you actually go through with Bplans, you can actually avail yourself of business planning services. You have a startup pitch deck. You have investor presentation. You have startup consultation. You have a feasibility studies. You have market research. You have marketing plan. You have business ideation. So basically, you have a constellation of business plan services or business plan related services that just there for you. And now it's all about what you're looking for. It's all about the size of your business. It's all about the operational history, the operational longevity of your organization. Are you a new business? Are you a startup? Are you an established business? Are you or like somewhere in between? Are you a small, mid-size, or large or enterprise? You really will find your luck on Bplans no matter what. Boss, I want to quickly remind you of today's topic. We're having a conversation about Bplans. So we're doing a Bplans business plan solution review, an in-depth review, so you have a clear idea what you're getting yourself into if you were to sign up with Bplans. What we love about Bplans is that we love the depth and breadth of the solutions they are offering around business planning. Okay, again, this is not Bplans is not a business plan software tool because Bplans is actually owned by Palo Alto, and Palo Alto really offers already a business plan software tool, which is LivePlans. Okay, as a matter of fact, if you're trying to really get business plan software through the Bplans website, you will be redirected to the LivePlan sort of website. So it is what it is. Okay, and so in addition to all the services I told you before, you also get the startup funding solutions through Bplans. You have investment proposals, you have business plan review, you have business plan design, you have implementation support, you have digital marketing, you have design services, and you have web design and development. So what am I trying to say here? Bplans, in our view, is just another revenue generating source for Palo Alto Software to sort of make money on the side. So basically, they have on one side the like the business plan software tool in LivePlans already, and then everything that revolves around business planning, they are basically redirecting you to Bplans. This is how we analyze this business model. It has been working for more than 30 years, so something must be working. So this is just fantastic. Let's talk about the process here. So when you think about B plans, what kind of process should you accustom yourself to? The thing is, the following really illustrates the outline of the B plan review services, because see, there is a process whereby B plan will review your business plan, okay, and we'll see whether or not it makes sense. And we love the fact that you have 5 important modules that actually will help you make sure that in the end you have a captivating, you have a compelling business plan. Remember, the bottom line here is to actually review the business plan that you have, but also direct you eventually, if needed, to live plan. So first thing, you have the booking. So you have to book the business plan review services. So to initiate a business plan review, you will need to book your business plan review services by clicking on the Order Now button on Bplans website. And so please ensure that you have the business plan in place before booking the review. So it's all about making sure that you actually reach out to an expert team to see whether or not what you have, is really worth it. So this really is cool if you write your own business plan, or you actually use a third party to write a business plan, and you're just trying to have an additional set of eyes, an expert set of eyes to sort of validate your business plan. So you have the business plan submission. So once you book the review services, you have to submit the business plan. So after the booking, what will happen here is that Bplans will send you an email to initiate the process. So to initiate a business plan review, you would need to send Bplans your business plan through email, which you have prepared and booked. Once you actually book the business plan review services. So just ensure that you submit the completed business plan for review, and review on incomplete business plans will be done on the completed sections only. So you have initial discussions and payments. So what will happen here is that a consultant from Bplans will schedule a call to discuss your requirements and walk you through the process. And after the discussion, the team will send you an invoice for the review services, and the process of review will start once the payment is completed. And then let's talk about the actual review. So the Bplans consultants will review your business plan based on based on your requirements and purpose, and mark the areas which need improvements, such as changes and the modifications, and also give you a roadmap on how to improve your business plan. In the end, you have modifications. So this is an optional add-on. So based on the feedback, you may choose to hire the Bplans team to do the modifications. So depending on the efforts required, the team will send you the quotation for the work, and proceed based on agreement and payment. Let's really talk about the value added here. So when you think about Bplans, what is the value added here? So let's dig a little deeper. So first of all, you have the business plan review. So remember, on Bplans, you have a constellation of templates, right? But Bplans goes beyond that. So they do a business plan review. They do a lot of things, but I want to really dig a little deeper into the value that the team adds when it comes to business plan review. It's important because a business plan is a powerful tool to kind of help you raise money. You can raise hundreds of thousands of dollars from investors, from lenders, for instance, from other types of financiers, if you know how to really write a business plan that is compelling, captivating, and that really resonates with the right audiences. And so Bplans experts provides a dedicated business plan review and enhancement services, like a set of enhancement services that really help entrepreneurs and established business owners, and even consultants, who have already written a business plan, or who have an old business plan of their venture. And so the Bplans team of consultants scrutinizes the existing business plan thoroughly to understand the business ideas. And what they do is they also engage with their clients to understand the purpose of the business plan, based on which they can carry forward their activity to ensure the business plan is drafted specifically to fit the purpose. Okay, so the thing here is that when we talk about the value added when it comes to the Bplans business plans review process, they call it business plan review and enhancement process. So you have several phases. You have several, I would say, milestones. You have a business plan review. They also do a gap analysis. So based on the review observations, their team will analyze gaps in your existing business plans in terms of structure, requirements as per the purpose of the plan, the flow of information, and clarity of the content. And they will also analyze changes in the research, if required, in terms of details, relevance, and freshness of the data. So they also measure the efficacy of the financial projections and note any gaps if discovered. What we love about this process is that it's very straightforward. We have seen some of their notes, some of their details, some of their explanations. It's really straightforward. We love that a lot, and so they add value. Now, this is not cheap though. I'll speak about pricing later on. This is not cheap, so you have to be really comfortable with like you gotta have some money. You gotta be ready to shell out some cash, okay? And by the way, boss, I want to quickly remind you of today's topic. We're having a conversation about Bplans business plan solution review, and this is an in-depth review, so you have a clear idea what you're getting yourself into if you were to hire Bplans for anything related to business plans. Okay, so in terms of value added, you can also find that Bplans is really great in terms of business plan modification. So the business plan modifications are completed, customized as per the findings in the gap analysis. And so the team will add, modify, or redo sections of the business plans as per the requirements. They also conduct completely fresh research to substantiate the business case if needed. And the financial sections are modified or redone as per the need to be in accord with the strategy and research. Okay. Then you also have proofreading. They do that a lot. So they will actually, so their consultants will proofread, will review the business plan for business effectiveness, and through they also have a content team. They will look at errors. They will fix any errors, whatever. It really depends. The bottom line here is that you got to think about the target audience. Who are the readers? Lenders, investors, venture capital investors. Like what types of investors, what types of constituencies you are writing the business plan for. This is where Bplans really adds value. And you also have they also add value in terms of the format and the design. So the completed business plan is formatted properly and designed if chosen by the client to give it an attractive outlook. Let's talk about templates here. So when you go through Bplans, you have access to a database, a constellation of templates, okay? And so you basically have business plans for specific industries. And so this is kind of cool because if you find something that is related to your industry, that means that the templates has some of the most important elements that you need to think about. And so you don't have to do a lot of tweaking anymore. I mean, so 50% or 70% of the work is already done for you. So the canvas is there, the foundation is there, the fulcrum of your business plan is already there. Now it's just for you to, I would say, customize things, okay? And so you have a constellation of business plans templates. So you have Amazon FBA business plan, a home healthcare business plan, live coaching business plan, Etsy business plan, agri-tourism business plan. You have a wedding venue business plan. You have a personal shopper business plan. You also have a real estate business plan. You have a laundromat business plan. You have a trucking business plan, online boutique clothing store business plan. So if you want to do anything online, you want to have a Shopify store, whatever, you have the business plan here. You have a bakery business plan, a food truck business plan, a small restaurant business plan. You have outpatient medical business plan, e-commerce business plan, and you have a mobile app. You have an online fitness business plan. You have a SaaS business plan. You have a subscription box business plan. You have an Airbnb rental business plan. You have a fix and flip business plan. You have an artist business plan. You have a cannabis business plan. You have a clothing boutique business plan, a daycare center business plan, and a services business plan. What am I trying to say here? So I'm just trying to, obviously this list is not exhaustive, but it just gives you like a great idea of what's available out there, what's possible, okay? And you also have so all business plans have the proper structure. So you have executive summary, products and services, market analysis, competition, marketing and sales, operations, milestones and metrics. You have company and team. You have financial plan. You also have the appendix. So again, you have a full-fledged business plan. What I want to say here is that at the end of the day, we've found the business plan templates through Bplans to be pretty comprehensive, pretty sophisticated, and pretty on point. They're really on point. And so we actually looked at 10 of them. We looked at a sample of 10, and we realized that all those 10 really fit the purpose to which they act. Like when we compared the title of the business plan template to what it really to the niche, and we found it to be really, really, really relevant. So this is, they've done a great job here. And the cool thing is you can actually remember, if you don't like the templates, You can always write your plan faster with Plan. Remember, Plan is owned also by Palo Alto Software, which is also the owner of Bplans. Let me talk to you now about pricing. And remember, Bplans will direct you to Plan, another Palo Alto solution, right? So there is no if you want to hire Bplans for business plan review, that's fine. You contact the team, they will do the review for you. They will actually rewrite the things for you. But if you were to, like, let's say you want to get a new business plan written by yourself or with your team, you're gonna have to be redirected to Plan. So what is the verdict here? Is Bplans worth it? Let's talk about that. Let's really have a quick convo about that, because this is an important section that people are interested in. So for all intents and purposes, our answer is yes. Bplans is there. Bplans is great. Bplans will get the job done. It is a legit business. It is a legit platform. Remember, Bplans and Palo Alto and Plan, everything. Palo Alto has been in the industry for 35 years. I mean, this is something. I mean, really, it tells you about this operational longevity, tells you a lot about the efficiency and how well they have run the business. This is just fantastic, okay? And so Bplans is actually the business planning resource for small businesses, whereas Plan is the business planning software tool. And so this is kind of cool. And what we love about Bplans is that it really gives you a lot of things. So Bplans includes a number of simple business plans based on actual business plans, including some for mixed companies, retail companies, distribution companies, and a health plan company. And information on business planning software is also available, as well as a special section on business planning for startups and an outline for a marketing plan. So again, you have a constellation of services. What we love about Bplans is that the team has expertise. The team, like the breadth and depth of expertise that the team is bringing to the table, is just phenomenal. It's really great. And so they really know what they're working. Okay, they really know their stuff. And so they'll help you with all kinds of business plan related activities. You know, whether you're speaking about small business management, business planning, case studies, marketing planning, case studies, new enterprise management, business plans, like typical business plans, marketing plans, business startups, they will work with you on a constellation of things. What we love about Bplans is that they actually work with they work with a variety of users and organization types: mid-sized businesses, small businesses, non-for-profits, enterprise, freelance, government, consultants, you name it, startups, you name it. Okay, and so we love that. And Bplans offers support via business hours and online. So right now they don't have a phone number, but if you were to go with Plan, you were to buy the a Plan solution, then you can reach out to somebody over the phone if you need help. Okay, and so Bplans provides training in the form of documentation and videos. There is nothing else. So FAQs and videos. Thank you so much for your attention so far. So here's a recap of today's conversation. So I walked you through Bplans business plan solution. This was a business plan solution review. So I gave you the synopsis, the services, the process, the value added, the templates, the pricing, and the verdict. Thank you. God bless you. I'll speak to you another time. But until then, remember, stay marvelous.